Well, hello guys, and welcome to the Campground channel where I share interesting and exciting information about the most basic concepts of chemistry. If this video helps you to learn a little bit about this subject, then please like the video, share the video with your friends on different platforms, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up while watching this video at some point. Today we are going to discuss what is the law of mass conservation. To understand this law, let's first define this law. According to this law, the mass can neither be created nor destroyed. So what I understand from this law is whenever you perform a certain chemical reaction, then the total masses of the product will be exactly equal to the total masses of the reactants. Now to convince ourselves to verify this law or to check out the validity of this law, let's do some cool experiments. To verify this law of mass conservation, we do a very cool and interesting experiment. In this experiment, we combine hydrogen and oxygen with each other in a closed container, and when they combine with each other, it forms water molecules, or you can say it forms water. When we add the mass of hydrogen and oxygen, and when we compare it with the mass of water which forms, we find out that these two masses are exactly equal. So this cool experiment verifies the law of mass conservation. The second experiment we can do to verify this law is the reaction between mercuric nitrate and potassium iodide in the presence of water as a medium. Because water acts as a medium, it provides mobility to the counter ions. They strike with each other and they react with each other. After the reaction, we can see mercuric iodide on the product side and potassium nitrate on the product side. We react 3.25 grams of mercuric nitrate with 3.32 grams of potassium iodide. We get 4.55 grams of mercuric iodide and 2.02 gram of potassium nitrate. Now to verify this law, we have to add the masses of the reactants and to compare it with the masses of the products. So before the reaction, the total mass of the reactants is equal to 6.57, while after the reaction we get 4.55 grams of mercuric iodide and 2.02 gram of potassium nitrate. When we add these two values, we get 6.56 gram, which is exactly equal to 6.57 grams of the reactants. So this experiment also shows the validity of law of mass conservation. So after discussing all these cool experiments, we can define the law of mass conservation in this way. In any chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactants will be equal to the total mass of the products, and this is called the law of mass conservation. Hopefully you will like this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.